Can German Shepherds be trained for therapy work? German Shepherds are well known for their intelligence, loyalty, and versatility. Traditionally, they have been utilized as police dogs, search and rescue dogs, and even as service dogs for individuals with disabilities. But can they also be trained for therapy work? Therapy dogs provide comfort and support to individuals in various settings such as hospitals, nursing homes, and schools. In this article, we will explore whether German Shepherds can excel in this role and the training required for them to become successful therapy dogs. Firstly, it is important to understand that therapy dogs differ from service dogs. While service dogs are specifically trained to assist individuals with disabilities such as guiding the blind or alerting the deaf, therapy dogs offer emotional support and companionship to others without any specific task. Therefore, German Shepherds must possess certain characteristics to be suitable for therapy work. One of the key traits required in a therapy dog is a calm and friendly temperament. German Shepherds, although known for their protective nature, can indeed possess the necessary temperament for therapy work. However, it is essential to differentiate between German Shepherds bred for working purposes and those bred for show or beauty standards. German Shepherds bred for work are generally more sociable and have a stronger desire to please their owners. These dogs, if properly trained and socialized from a young age, can make excellent therapy dogs. Additionally, German Shepherds have a natural instinct to respond to cues and commands. This intelligence makes them highly trainable, and with the right approach, they can easily learn the skills required for therapy work. Positive reinforcement training methods, using treats and praise, are recommended for German Shepherds as they respond well to rewards and are eager to please their owners. Consistency, patience, and repetition are key elements in successfully training a German Shepherd for therapy work. Socialization also plays a crucial role in preparing a German Shepherd for therapy work. Exposure to various environments, people, and other animals at a young age is essential for them to develop good social skills. They should be exposed to different sights, sounds, and smells to ensure they are comfortable and confident in different scenarios. This will help them remain calm and relaxed while providing therapy to those in need. Furthermore, German Shepherds are physically strong and agile, which can be advantageous in therapy work. They have the ability to provide support and assistance to individuals who may have mobility issues. For example, they can learn to walk alongside individuals using crutches or wheelchairs, providing stability and balance. Their size and strength can be comforting to individuals who may require assistance with their daily activities. However, it is important to acknowledge that not all German Shepherds may be suitable for therapy work. Some individuals within this breed may have more intense protective instincts, which could potentially hinder their ability to remain calm and composed in therapy settings. Therefore, it is crucial to carefully assess each dog's personality, temperament, and overall suitability before embarking on therapy dog training. In conclusion, while German Shepherds are traditionally bred for working purposes, with the right training and socialization, some can excel in therapy work. Their intelligence, responsiveness to training, and physical capabilities make them a potential fit for this role. However, it is essential to remember that not every German Shepherd will be suitable for therapy work, as individual characteristics and traits will vary. If you are considering training a German Shepherd for therapy work, it is recommended to work with a professional dog trainer or organization with experience in this field.